You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I'll fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Kick. Good morning, Twitch. Didn't give you an entry. Yeah, there was no entry, G-Flock. I told you this already. You're building... What's the price? Building stops, man. I didn't explain. What do you mean I didn't explain? What are you talking about, man? Man, boy. Yeah, you're right. You are right. What's wrong with PA? In DMs. What do you mean in DMs? Man, poor saying something? Yeah, he's saying that he is entering on your stop losses. And he said that you are liquidity, G-Flock, eh? He said that he's he said he's buying pizza tonight on you. So he really likes that. Thank you, G-Flock, eh?
Well, I'll send you a DM.
But you meant in DAMs with price action wrong. Price, you can see the price action, man. We're right. What? All right, G Flocke. What did I say when we first started speaking this morning? Obviously, I'm not going to say it out loud. You type it in the chat. You don't remember. We'll go back to the first of the DMs. Yes, go back to the first of the DMs. I'm not going to say it on stream, but you can put it in. You can put it in the chat so that the people here in chat, good morning, Mr. Biofex, can see what it is we're speaking about. Hold on, I'm not looking, so. What did I don't know? Okay. I'm not going to read it out loud. Okay. So what I'm asking you is, what was I talking about? I showed you a chart, what we were talking about. Then you can understand why I said that you're not supposed to be trading in the range that you're trying to trade in. But I was having the same exact conversation. Ping ponging. I didn't say that. I didn't say ping ponging. That was the reply that I got back, but I showed you oh my gosh. I shouldn't even have said that. Killing me here, G Flocke.
Wait for after 11 when you close the stream.
Yeah, no joke. I showed you exactly the range that you shouldn't be trading in. Okay. When we first started speaking this morning. First talk to me, I showed you exactly where you should not be trading. And then you told me, I'm going to short here. So, either you listen or you don't listen. If you want to short, that's fine. Will it work out? Yeah, you got a 50% chance of it working out. You love 50-50 trades, then trade it. If you like 50-50 trades, then trade with the other 98% of traders. And trade 50-50s. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. You know? Some of them get lucky and make money.
I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no cash in it.
If they didn't get lucky and make money, then they wouldn't just continue on in the market, and there'd be no money to be made in the market because the 98% wouldn't continue to put their money into the market. So we need them. We need the fish. Without the fish, nobody profits. So we need a 98% fish. It just depends on if you want to be a fish or not. You want to be a fish, G Flocke? Okay, we'll short it then. Nothing wrong with it. Like I said, there's all kinds of people that trade 50-50. Nothing wrong with it. You can win 50-50 trades. Nothing wrong with it. I'm reading the chat. Want to short here. I'm seeing it. I am. I've seen it the whole time. What have I missed? I'm just telling you. You want to trade 50%? Trade it.
Are we going to trade like this all day?
Now we get dots. Range. Everybody's watching my screen right here. This right here, G Flocke. I sent you a picture. What'd the picture look like? Here, we'll pull up the picture. We'll pull up the picture. Okay? Manpour's been here. He understands what I'm talking about, and you should too. Pull this picture up right here. Here's the picture I sent you. What does that say? See where the white lines are? See where the red box is? I didn't want everybody else to have to see all these ugly boxes. But you can see that right here. And you said, I'm going to short right here. So I'm just saying, for me, that's a no trade range. If you want to trade it, trade it. If you think that's the way to go, go. The whole reason that all these candles are moving like this is because all the traders are trading in this range. What are they doing? They're building orders to take stops out, which they did. Bang, stops the high. Now, did we completely get stops a low? Possibly, possibly not. This was a low. This was a lower low. I mean, a higher low. So more than likely, that did grab stops to the low as well. I would have liked to have had a deeper bang to the low before going long when we broke out of this range right here. So I am looking for stops. No trade range. What's the reason? 3 times. What's the reason 3 times what? What's the reason for the no trading range here? You don't see the reason for the no trading range here. Man, Poor, what's the reason for no trading here?
Chop.
Chop. Thank you. That's so simple. God dang, you see how quick he was at that? See how simple that was? What is chop,
You
G
are
Flock,
going to get chopped up. We discussed
Correct.
it yesterday. You're going to get chopped up.
Absolutely. Thank you. People,
Did that
there is...
trade work? No, it did. But that's hindsight now.
Yep. Dang, somebody listens. Man, Poor even said...
Doesn't help you.
Man, Poor even said, we talked about this yesterday.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Dear me.
Yeah, Mr. Bio, come on. Hey, Braden, good morning.
Braden.
Mr. Bio may or may not make it through the live stream. Oh, later, Braden.
Yeah. I'm not doing that.
Oh my goodness. Hola mole.
Couldn't I just say chop? I mean, I could say chop. You want to say chop? Then you say, what's chop? Why is it chop? How do you consider when there's chop and when there's not chop? You can tell they're building orders. Why? Because when we get into that chop barcode, yeah, you can call it that too. You can call it whatever you want. But why does it happen? Why do you see that in the market? That's where the question comes in at. Why? There's what I need right about now.
See what it's called.
Yeah, it's called Man Poor.
That's it. That's a South African drink. It's the same as moonshine, I suppose.
Oh, wow.
Same stuff.
Yeah, they're building orders, Chief Locke. The reason that they're building the traders trade it. Why? Because traders are too impatient. You have to take a trade. You have to trade right now. Look. Look at where we're at. This is going to go up. This is going to go down. Oh, look. What is this right here? Oh, this is supply. This is demand. Oh, here's an order block on the 5-minute. Oh, here's an order block on the 5-minute. Oh, here's support on, the hour. Here's resistance on the hour. This is what it is. Oh. Everybody's trying to get involved there. And what do? They enter and they play stop losses. So what are we looking for? The stop losses. We don't want to trade where they're trading. We're going to go here. Inside this range, you're going to go long? So are traders. You're going to go short? So are traders. We're waiting for it to get out and hit the stop losses. We want the stop losses. We don't care about any of these orders. Not worth nothing. I'm not trading in this range. If you want to, go ahead. And don't ask me if you should go long or short. Just grab a quarter, man. It's a lot easier. Why think about it? Just flip a quarter. It'll tell you which way to go. You're not trading this now. Okay, good. That's perfect. Let's see what we get here, guys. And we get a closure.
Or just another wick.
Yep, could just be another wick. That's what we're looking for. So we got about 15. We're gonna wait 15 for the close and see. I mean, you guys can look at it off this, and what do you see, right? You look at it off the 15-minute, and what do you got? You got no top wick on the 15. So, see what I'm saying? You definitely want to wait on this hour close. I mean, I would anyways, but you know what I'm saying. Now what you'd like to see is you'd like to see it push these lows and then give us a bottom wick. Not a horrible position here, honestly. We were looking for more of a push down earlier, never really got it, so I could see this being a decent push down here. I'm going to try to work on this minimize thing over the weekend too, man. Poor if I can figure it out. I just don't understand it. It didn't used to do that.
Let me Google.
It's the craziest thing I ever seen because the whole time we've been doing these live streams, it's worked correctly. I just don't understand how it just decided, okay, well, today I'll change. Seems like I get a lot of that on computers. Today I decided I'd like to do something different than what I've done for the last 8 months. Makes absolutely no sense to me. told you got 10 minutes. Let's do something nice.
If you close TradingView and you reopen it, does it remember all your tabs, or do you have to reopen them all again?
No, it remembers all my tabs. That's how it opens every time I open it.
Okay. Well, when the live stream is over, we can try something.
Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Like I said, I was going to try to work on it over the weekend. That's kind of how that's when I try to take time to do all the stuff that I need to do is over the weekend, because I don't have a lot of time during the week to do any of it. So, but yeah, I don't like it that every time when I try to minimize it, like you say, hey, it did this on the 800 tick, and I minimize it down so we can see the 800 tick, and then I've got to readjust the TradingView tab every single time. It's like, man, that seems like a pain.
No, for sure. We'll try it. All you need to do is when you close this window now,
Yeah.
you need to hold down the shift key and then reopen it and size it the way you want. Then it should remember that size. But we'll see when we get there, not now.
Okay. Welcome back, Chief Locke.
Geez, price action has been bad today. There's been a few nice runs on the low time frame on Nasdaq, but
Yeah.
it's not helping my trading anyway.
Yeah, I haven't seen much this morning. Like I said, we were in the range. I expected them to grab the stops. They went high and grabbed the stops, and we were talking about it this morning. Unless you just say, hey, let's try to go with the stops, it would have been tough. So,
Yes. Yep, I think it'll work. I've tried it now. It seems like it's working, so we'll do that after 11.
all right, well, we'll try that then.
If it doesn't work, we'll try the next one.
Chief Locke tells me if it doesn't work, you just take it and throw it out the window.
Yeah, that's what he did with his router.
Yeah. If it doesn't work, we just take the computer, we throw it out the window, right? No?
Well, actually, the screen is the one.
Okay, yeah.
So just throw the screen out.
There you go.
It's like these action movies where somebody comes in and shoots the screen up to damage the data on the computer.
Yep. You mean that doesn't work?
Well, it depends. If it's an iMac, yeah, it will.
Yeah.
Because the whole thing is contained in the screen area.
Oh, so it's like a all-in-one or whatever they call them, right?
Yes. Awesome machines. Jesus.
Yeah.
Beautiful stuff. So basically you'll just, oh come on, you stupid. You'll just connect, well, you won't even connect your keyboard and mouse because it's all wireless.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And if you're looking for a minimalistic setup, that's basically what it will look like. Holy crap, these images are big. Wow. Okay. So you have your screen, keyboard, mouse, and touchpad. That's it. Did that image only load halfway for you?
Yep, only loaded halfway.
Okay, let me just delete them. Yeah, I know, Chief. Okay, everything is shipped for you, I know. That's only one. That's right. Look at this one more. Let's see. Yeah.
There we go. Now I can see the
That's your
whole thing.
setup. So you've got your trackpad, your keyboard, mouse, all wireless connected, and that's your whole computer in there. So really nice to work with. And of course, you can connect multiple monitors to it. Okay, 2 minutes till close of this candle.
Yep.
And we are on the that's the whole PC. It's not just a monitor. The whole machine is built in there. You don't have a PC.
That is crazy. I've seen the all-in-ones before. I don't know that I've specifically seen that one, but I've seen the like the HP all-in-ones and stuff like that.
Yes,
so I assume it's probably, similar, but probably way better.
Yeah, these are slightly more expensive, just a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't even know what these go for. I mean, that's stupid price. Let's see if we can. Okay. Eight-core CPU, 10-core GPU, only 512 storage, so it's limited storage. 8 gig memory, about $2,000.
Yeah.
So it's not an awesome processing machine, but it's got a 10-core GPU, so you can run all your graphics. It's really good for photographers.
Yeah.
And they're fun to work with anyway. They don't give you Windows shit. The operating system runs similar to your Linux Unix core. Okay, where did we close?
We closed right below and then pushed.
Yep. No entry.
No, nothing you can do with that.
No.
Chief Locke, which way are we going to go trade it now? We're in a mess. What should we do?
But in all seriousness, it is rather frustrating that you just sit here for hours on end. Not the whole morning I've been sitting here trying to catch at least one of these runs on MQ, and I sit down and just go sideways. I leave for 5 minutes and run like 30, 40 ticks and then go sideways again. Freaking time.
May not be that bad. All it did was push right down. Come back up, we could be part of this. It didn't actually go. I thought I was going to run and fill the range. It didn't do it yet. So
Yeah. We filled your wick, didn't we? Oh, there we go now. That one to the left. We did that with that news push.
I wish it'd come up some. Even get bigger for stops. This is the problem. 3 ticks already.
Okay.
Yeah, this stop's going to get too big for me. Again, not saying there might not be an opportunity for somebody else here. Let's see how it plays out. But for me, the stop's going to get too big. This is the problem is because you still have to break the low, right? So if we just came back up, no top wick, it's 24 ticks. So you want a decent sized top wick, you see what I'm saying? So you'd want it about to there. So that'd be like a 35 tick stop for me. It's just not gonna. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. Like I said, if somebody trades smaller, maybe. But I mean, it's even starting to get too big for that at this point. This is what we were not wanting to see, was for it just to drive without. That was the closure we were looking for.
Gold's done. Let's go look at NAS.
Gold's done. What's NAS look like? Let me see.
Doesn't look too good either.
NAS just put on a bottom wick too. No top wick on NAS either. It didn't really give us a close either. NAS didn't, honestly. I don't really.
No.
I really don't like it.
We sit looking at gold for half an hour, then nothing happens, then we wait for another half an hour. So we should actually try and find something else to look at.
Yep, you're right. You're right.
Just be aware of the time so we know that when something happens, we can actually look at it.
Yeah, gold's just going to continue to run. Yep, man, poor. It's just gonna drive.
And there was no entry in.
No, I'm gonna stop chasing that with that stupid low break there. There's nothing. There is nothing there. Well, it was a nice move. Jeez. If we could have got a top wick to fuel that move, we definitely could have taken advantage of it, guys. But just was not nothing there. Do you see now, G-Flock, how it moved once it closed below that range we were speaking about? See the difference?
Fell out of bed.
Yeah, maybe he's gone. He said he was back, but he was back because he was talking. I don't know.
You never know.
G-Flock, where you at? We have no top wicks here on in Q either, so you got no top wicks on the current candle, but also there's no top wicks on that hour candle. I mean, not the last hour, but the one before that, right?
Both of them, well,
Yeah.
in Q. Yeah, on the 1 hour you'll see the two candles without any top.
Yeah, yeah. So I've been trying to watch NAS more. Like I said, we haven't been per se actively, get on it because there just hadn't been no areas of trade here. But I could see that candle flipping for sure. I mean, I could see it happening. Could flip, close back above at like the half an hour candle, right? And then possibly come back up and put a wick on that last 1 hour that didn't have a wick. I mean, this one's going to have a wick if it does that, right? It'll put a wick up to here, or maybe even push up, and then we'll see it up here. That's my thoughts. Oh, you were gone. I was talking to you, G-Flock. I wasn't sure where you was at.
It's okay, should happen.
what, Chief Lucky? Good morning, Rad Rat. Just saw you. Oh, that I was talking to you. Yeah. Perfect tap there. We might see the same thing on gold. You're just going to be right back up in range. That was perfect tap. Right there on our gray line that Chief Locke always says, what are those gray lines? Those gray lines don't make any sense. And the difference between me and everybody else, Chief Locke, as we talk about these great... Okay, so you understand them now? Because I will tell you the difference between key levels. That's market structure, yes, from old levels. And that is one thing that you'll see different from me and others that trade ranges, because you know I'm always looking for stop losses, so my trades are a little bit different than a lot of the other guys that trade ranges anyway. But one reason that they're super different is because I use these market structure levels from the past rather than just using the levels that are on my chart right now. Right? I still show them, but right, I still show the current one so that everybody can see what I'm running through right there. But most of these lines are actually, you know, market structure from the past, and then we pay attention to current made structure as price moves. So that's the one thing that I do a little differently. And of course, I'm always looking for stop losses. I'm waiting for stops to be ran too, to where a lot of the guys that trade the ranges just trade the ranges, you know, whether it's a breakout, whether it's this, whether it's that. And we trade different than that, right? So some of the stuff we got to tell to everybody that's new so that everybody can understand exactly how we run these trades. And for any of you guys on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, if any of you guys want, you can see the video. I'll go ahead and post the video actually in the chat, guys, for the learning video that I put out a few days ago. There you guys go. Should have went to everybody there. Check that out. That'll show you, you know, it'll give you a good understanding of how my trading works, if that makes any sense. Got any questions, you know? Post them in the chat, post them in the comments. I'll answer you back. let's see here, guys. I can't believe this. I love Fridays, guys. What is the story?
Usually.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Normally I'm so happy to get up Friday. I will tell you, I woke up this morning, my head hurt, did not feel like getting out of bed. I was like, oh no, please no. I'm sure everybody noticed that I wasn't exactly quick into the Discord and quick for good mornings and all that. Yeah. So.
No, I understand that.
But what to my whatever, I don't know. I'm too tired to think about it. I did stay up last night later than I should have probably.
Okay.
We were flipping through the channels and ended up finding a movie that was in the middle. You know how you do that. You're sitting here checking the channels and all of a sudden here a movie is in the middle and then you start watching it. Then you're like, oh man, now I'm gonna have to watch it through. And it was one of them ones where you're on a regular channel, right? So you almost fall asleep for every commercial, and then when the movie comes back on, you continue to watch it. The commercials make them 3 times as long as they're supposed to be. So I did get to bed too late on top of all of it. I think it was probably around midnight when I went to sleep. So what seemed forced? It's like you were forced to watch a movie. No.
No, he doesn't get forced to watch a movie. It's just self-forced.
Yeah, exactly. You did. I mean, especially when you don't do a lot, right? Like, I mean, I spend all day on these charts or working in the server or working on YouTube or working on audio or whatever. So when you do have a minute, right, that you catch something and you're like, oh man, that's not so bad. You do try to take advantage of the fact of watching a movie here or watching this or doing that or this. That's a little different than being on your computer. So you do try to take advantage of it. And I was up with the wife. Kids already went to bed, grabbing this movie. So
you need that time.
Yep, exactly. And that's why I did it. Even though, like I said, I was like closing my eyes and almost falling asleep between the commercials, I still want to watch the movie. I still want to spend the time. So. And I don't do it very often. I'm not a big TV watcher. That's not, you know what I mean? So I normally don't watch anything, sadly. I'm going to get hated on all the social media platforms. I don't watch much of anything that's new. That's why I'm ended up watching a movie in between commercials, because most of the movies that come out are not my style. So I think it's freaking cool. That thing is freaking cool, man, boy.
It's just a prototype, and this plastic is rather soft, so it won't be a working one. I'll print another one this weekend, slightly bigger. This one is a bit small for my hand. It fits nicely, but it's a bit small. So I'll print a full version this weekend with grips and everything, and maybe make the grips a different color, bright orange or something, just for the hell of it. And then put an edge on it to see how it looks, just for the fun of it.
Yeah, I don't want to be crazy here, whatever. But have you ever thought about trying to sell those?
It will be a patent because there is a company that makes them, so you
Oh,
won't be able,
okay. I
won't be
got you. I
allowed
got
to
you.
sell them.
All right. All right.
I'm going to make one this size for my sister.
Yeah.
I'm also going to do some. I don't know if you've seen Kydex work.
Yeah. I mean, I've seen it a little bit, but I've seen mostly what you show me more than anything. But yeah, when you're making the holsters and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, you can do a Kydex holster for this easily.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me just copy that into.
He's gonna show you, Mr. Bio.
One moment.
Really cool. I mean, I was just wondering because if you can really, you know what I mean, if you can do well at those, I know you can sell stuff like that. I mean, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, he made that. Yep.
That's just printed. I want to get some G10 material, which is laminated fiberglass. Yeah, the only thing I can't sell them because there's already a company that makes them. So it will be copyright, patent, protected, whatever you want to call it. No, the only two companies. Well, one company went bankrupt, and this company took over the patent. So reality now, this image that I'm posting now is one that's made out of G10, which is that laminated fiberglass. Look at that blade; looks quite cool. And that thing is close to the same hardness as.
It almost looks like, I mean, I realize it's not, but it almost is similar to like Damascus. Oh.
Yes, very close. Because you have that laminated fiberglass.
Yeah.
Gives it that effect.
And it's still strong and doesn't break. I mean, or
that stuff is very close. I mean, you see a guy taking. One moment. Sorry, there's a guy that takes one of these and jabs these plastic 44-gallon drums full of
oh my
water,
gosh,
and he just pokes them. So I think he'll survive if somebody pisses you off.
Yeah, I think so too. That is crazy. There's that NAS flip we were talking about.
Okay, I've got to go make dinner. I'll be back shortly.
All right, see you in a bit. Nice flip there, guys. You got 3 minutes. You can expect a top wick on that. He could have took the impulse flip there. Really wanted to. You've had a bad week? That's not good, Mr. Bio. Why has it been so bad? Did I lose my internet? That was really odd there, guys. Action lost. Came through. Was that yours, Mr. Biofax? Did your Ninja Trader said connection lost? That was confusing. You there, Mr. Bio? What do you guys check the YouTube live stream for me? Flock, Mr. Bio, Rad Rat, one of you. For me, it's just spinning. I don't understand what's going on. My back, can you guys hear me or no? My Discord just reloaded too. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, live stream's working. I mean, I can see YouTube now. I was spinning on YouTube. I don't know what happened. I'm glad it's clear. Thank you, Chief Locke. YouTube was spinning. The Ninja Trader had the sound of reconnecting. Mr. Bio, I know you know what that sounds like. So it must have been me that disconnected, and then my Discord started spinning real quick and reset. So I was a little concerned of what happened, but all my stuff's still here, so it must just be something that was on my side, not actually Discord. I don't know what happened there. That was very strange. I'm so glad that I sound clear now, guys. Them audio issues that I've had for the last few weeks, oh my gosh, are enough to drive me out of my mind. Hey, Burb. But that's not good. You're not supposed to fail test, Burb. There's a top wick on that candle we were talking about, guys. I hope somebody took that flip from me talking about it and held it to the top wick of that hour candle there. Oh, that's not good, Burb. Okay, you saw all that play out, right? So you know where we're at. We came down, had the bottom wick. As soon as we got the top wick, or it wasn't the top wick, it was the flip. Knew we'd get a flip of this candle because we had no top wick, and then we expected to put a top wick on this candle. That's a good trade. Good for about, let me look here. Top that we've got so much, about 222 ticks. Oh, okay, you're not trading NQ. Alright then. Well, it is what it is. Was a nice one for any of you guys that did take it. I see absolutely nothing going on here though, guys. So if you guys have any questions, YouTube, Kick, Twitch, right now is the perfect time. Hold short. Yeah, see, we didn't get that. We were looking at it, but see, we needed the top wick. As soon as this closed below, we wanted the top wick here so we could short back down, yeah. Top wick put on that candle, so if they go up there, put the top wick on, then they'll take out the stops from all the shorters. Then maybe we can look at something. But she did hold support down there. That gray line there tapped it perfectly. So a little, you know. And we made support with that too. So unless we actually go up, break the highs, and then come back down into that range, right? And G-Flock is going to say what range? If you go down to a lower time frame, you'll see it. Go down to the 5 minute, you'll see. So we'll break out of the range. You see it? Okay. So we'll break out of the range, grab the stops to the top side, and then we'll come back down. You see it now, G-Flock. Okay, that's good. That's a lot to do when gold likes to give up after 11. Oh, you're sick, Burb? That's not good. I think Mr. Bile's sick too, so... No, I'm not mad at you, G-Flock, eh? I just assume that you know things sometimes that... for whatever reason you don't seem to, which is sometimes odd. No, it's just sometimes frustrating. Sometimes I feel like I go over go over something 100 times, and I just assume that you have it locked in by then, right? You don't want to be a fish in the water. I think our IQ is 0. That's what happens to fish, Chief Locke. That's why I keep on saying you don't want to be a fish. Big fish is a whale. Well, for me, fish in the water means that, dinner. Yep, exactly. So when I say things like fish, fish isn't a good term. Internet's not working again. Not good. No, that's not good. Yeah, G Flocka, you should just check your hippocampus. Look it up. No, look it up. Nothing bad. I'm not a jerk. Look it up. I'll look it up. There you go. Am I wrong? Point proven. That's funny. Stop skipping school. Chief Lucky, you're not skipping school, are you? There you go, guys. Beautiful trade on NQ. For any of you guys that did take it, make sure once she starts testing these highs of this top wick here, that you consider securing profit of some kind, because there is no bottom wick on this current candle. Make sure you start thinking about at least putting your stop close or something. As it could come back down, especially with the hour close coming up here. This is your candle on the hour. So I would definitely think about starting to secure some. You should put a top wick on current candle that we have, right? So you'll have a top wick on this candle. And the next candle, if we're going to drive up, which is, you know, could be, could not be, you're going to see a bottom wick again before the flip to continue your way up. So you make sure that your profits somewhere in this area, unless you want to sit through the drawdown. But if it were me, I would secure some profits on that trade. At least put your stop to where you can be stopped out in big profits, because you're from your entry, you're up now about 248 ticks. So make sure that you secure it here, because there is no bottom wick on that candle, guys. Hey, McSwaggy, how's it going? I don't know if you've got the roll yet. You do not, sir. All right, McSwaggy, I gave you the roll. If you want to leave and come back, you can open your mic. If not, you can use the text on the side, whatever you prefer, but you have the roll now. It's just you haven't been here since I changed the roll settings. Okay. Hello, man. Hello. I'm glad to see you, though. Yeah, I'm looking at NQ. Gold already gave us a move with no top wick. And NQ had a good entry earlier that I called out. And now we're just waiting to see what's happening past this, McSwaggy. YouTube, Twitch, Kick, if you guys don't have any questions, I am going to go ahead and shut down you guys' stream, because I'm not going to have any more trades before 11 anyways, and I normally turn you guys off at 11, so have any questions, you guys on the live streams, please let me know. YouTube, Kick, Twitch. Any you guys have any questions this morning? McSwaggy, you need to speak to me later? Okay. Yeah, for sure.
Somebody who could save him instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lives.
Okay, YouTube, Twitch, Kick. Have a great afternoon, guys. Actually, have a great weekend. Today's Friday, so have a great weekend. I will see you all back on Monday. And any of you that took that NQ trade right now would be your opportunity to secure that profit. You hit the top there, so do something with it. You need a bottom wick on current candle, so don't just leave it run. Nah, don't just leave it run. All right, I will see you all Monday morning.
I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. fame, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative.